CRM tools are game changers when it comes to planning follow-ups weeks in advance. If you're tired of scrambling to remember when to reach out to clients or prospects, or if you're looking for a way to streamline your follow-up process, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute guide, I'll show you how to use CRM tools effectively to plan your follow-ups ahead of time, so you can stay organized and never miss a beat. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is set up your CRM to track interactions with your clients and prospects. Most CRM tools allow you to log communication, whether it's emails, calls, or meetings. By doing this, you'll have a detailed timeline of every touchpoint with your contacts. Next, use the calendar or task scheduling feature in your CRM. This is where you can plan follow-ups weeks in advance. For example, if you have a meeting with a potential client today, you can set up a follow-up task for 2 weeks from now. Your CRM will automatically remind you when it's time to reach out. Make sure to segment your contacts into categories, such as high priority, medium priority, or low priority. This will help you prioritize your follow-ups and ensure that your most important contacts are never left behind. A good CRM will allow you to apply these tags easily, which makes it simple to schedule follow-ups based on urgency. Another important step is automating your follow-up process as much as possible. Some CRM tools allow you to set up automated email sequences where your CRM sends personalized follow-up emails to clients at specified intervals. This can save you a ton of time and help you maintain consistent communication without doing all the work manually. But the magic happens when you use your CRM's reporting tools. These tools give you insights into how well your follow-ups are performing. You can track which clients or prospects are engaging with your follow-ups, which allows you to adjust your approach if needed. Whether you need to increase the frequency or change the content, reporting tools are key to refining your follow-up strategy. By the way, I've tried some of the most popular CRM tools on the market, and the software I'll be using in this video is my top pick for planning follow-ups weeks in advance. It's simple, intuitive, and has a ton of automation features. You can try it for yourself with an exclusive free trial that's only available for my viewers. Check the link in the description below to get started. So, the key takeaway from today's video: CRM tools are essential for planning follow-ups weeks in advance. By using your CRM to track interactions, schedule tasks, segment contacts, automate follow-ups, and analyze reports, you can ensure that your follow-up game stays strong without overwhelming yourself. To quickly review, make sure you're tracking interactions, using the calendar to schedule follow-ups, segmenting contacts, automating follow-ups where possible, and leveraging reporting tools to improve your approach. Remember, the exclusive free trial to the software we use today is in the description below. Don't miss out on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.